Welcome back to CAD Work tutorial. In this video, we'll make this exercise. So open your Fusion and let's go. First, go to Create a Sketch and select the right plane. Select your 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here with 90 millimeters by 70 millimeters. Press OK. Go to Constraint. Select the midpoint. Click on this line and this point here. That's okay. Go to Create and select Arc, Center Point Arc. Click here in the midpoint. Make an arc here with 20 millimeters of radius. Okay. Now click here in the midpoint of this line here. Create an arc here with 17.5 millimeters. Okay. Create another one with 32.5 millimeters. Okay. Now finish the sketch and go to Extrude. Select this profile here. The distance here is, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here is 60 millimeters. Press OK. Now show the sketch one again. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. The start offset here minus 10 millimeters, and the distance here minus 20 millimeters. We'll have this. Okay. Operation join. Press OK. Hide the sketch one. We have this. Go to Create a Sketch and select this face here. Select circle. Click here. Make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. 25 millimeters. Go to Sketch Dimension. Click here in the midpoint of the circle and this edge here. The distance here is 20 millimeters. Okay. Go to Constraints and select horizontal vertical. Click here in this point and the midpoint here. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. The operation here is cut. The distance all. Flip this and press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to Create a Sketch and select the top plane. Select 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here with 50 millimeters by 40 millimeters. Press OK. Let's move this a little bit. Okay. Go to Constraint, select Coincident, select this line and this point here. And go to Sketch Dimension. Click here in this edge and this point. Or click in this edge and this edge here. The distance here is 5 millimeters. Okay. Go to Modify and select Fillet. Select this point here and this edge. The fillet here is 15 millimeters. Okay. Now go to Create and select Slot, Center to Center Slot. Click here in this point and this point. Make a slot here with 14 millimeters and press OK. Finish the sketch. Now go to Extrude, select this profile here. Extrude this 15 millimeters. Operation join. Press OK. Now go to Create and select Mirror. The object type, it will be Features, and the object is the last extrude that we made, and the mirror plane is the front plane here. Okay. Press OK. We have this. Now go to Modify and select Fillet. Select this edge here, this edge here, this edge here, this edge here, and this edge, and one more. The fillet here is 2.5 millimeters and press OK. Here we finish the exercise, so thanks for watching and bye bye.